Hey guys, it's Miss Pickett here, and I am going to help you guys navigate through your Wonders program and how that works with your Google Classroom. Okay, so the first thing I want to ask you guys to do is just go to your browser, go to a new tab, and then we're going to sign into our Google account. Okay, so I'm going to act like I am Michael Hammer, so I'm going to type in his username and his password. And then it's going to ask me, it's going to go ahead and log into my Gmail. And I'm going to go up into the corner here and I'm going to my classroom. Okay. So that's the first thing I need you guys to do. Then I want you guys to open up a new tab and you're going to go to ConnectEd. Just one second, friends. I am on the wrong one here. Here we go. And then I'm going to log in Michael again here with his Wonders login. So what's going to be really important is that you're logged into both of these places before you do any of your reading assignments, okay? So now I've got my Wonders pulled up. I'm going to go back into my classes. I'm going to find Miss Greg's class. I'm going to go to her classwork. And then I'm going to scroll down to the reading assignment on Tuesday, which is our time specs. That is a text from Wonders. And when you click on it here, it will allow you to pull up the book because you've already logged in as Wonders. So if you guys have any problems, just let Miss Greg know, or you can let me know. And again, it looks like it's prompting me to log in again, so I'm going to go ahead and do that to show you that the book should pop right up. So as you can see, either way should work just fine. Again, if you have questions, contact Miss Greg or Miss Pickett, or if you are in another classroom, your homeroom teacher. Thanks.